Port 47, goddamn. Motherfucking camera quality coming out crooked. No, I like that. Gotta give you the best quality, you know what I mean? I know it's probably the phone off balance, but let's see. Put on some gems.
Gotta keep the heat up. Girl, yes. Remember, I always been. Ain't not a big.
Oh, this is pretty ass, no lie.
I'm in it. I'm a bitch just a tinny.
Let's try this out.
Right here is my sweat. All the girls are on me. Damn, everybody pay attention. So this right here is my pretty boy sweat. Pretty boy sweat. Pretty boy sweat. Pretty boy sweat. Girls on my dick when I pretty boy sweat. Girl scream my name when I pretty boy sweat. Go me, go me, go me, go me, DJ Magic, go me, go me, go me. Get him go, 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 get him go.
Meg, calm it down. Overall, right now, we just headed to the. Gonna go check a QT, their air work, cause my tire's a little low right now, cause of cold. So hopefully they air pump work. Lately it ain't been working, so we'll check it out. But hopefully this video coming out good. Enjoy.
You for everybody, nigga, don't claim me. Nigga tryna tell me what to do. You ain't my daddy, I'm not your baby.
I know that shit. Oh, what you want? What that bitch? Tell it nothing. Ah, you bitchin'. Damn, get your shit.
Bust down ready a new masterpiece. My little bitch is a masterpiece. I ain't even gotta be running when I'm telling them jokes. She think I'm mad at me. If there's something I do, she mad at me. Let a nigga make me mad. You see, I'm down like it.
bitch ass me. What's up? Gonna get new back.
Hello, hello, I'm the king of New York, mellow. I can't wear the Regis and pillow. Asking around niggas know me. You're a boy, you know me. I like my bitches red bone. That's like, hello, light skin.
Hope it's coming out good. Ain't too crooked, now man.
Asking around niggas know me. I'm a young boy, you know me. Spin that shit. Spin that shit. Spin that shit.
Classic right here. DJ going stupid.
Spin the check and get it right back. Spin the check and get it right back. Spin that shit. 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 You gon' die with it. Spin the check and get it right back. Spin the check and get it right back. Let that money talk. Let that money talk. You dead broke. That's your dad's fault. I'm high horse. You asphalt. Your rolling fake. That shit unthought. Before bulldog. Knock your block off. I smoke rapper weed. This that moon rock. I'm certified.
Everybody from looking like, what the fuck this boy got on his head? We making that money on.
Don't fucking lie. Don't be surprised. They legally blind. They don't wanna see the shine.
DJ Magic Candy in the
Signed my
house.
first deal about time. All that pen and pitching that you do, you better spin that shit. Spin that shit. Spin that shit. Spin that shit. Spin the check and get it right back. Spin the check and get it right back.
Yeah, I think we good. We should be green. We green.
What you talking about? It's arrow. Rub now. The shrimp is old. 30 days. 4 years old. It ain't gonna same price as the kilo. I'm a boss. You know my BI. And I got the same kind of gun like T.I. Fit that way to me.
Alright, let's check this pressure real quick. Let's see, moment of truth, moment of truth. We go. Perfect, on the money. Can this hole reach? I don't think it can. Flip it around. Get a little closer. These tires were very, very flat. That's not good. I'll run over the motherfucking cord. We should be good right there. Alright, I'll turn y'all back on when we air up.
again, I'm locked in with TP, we finna make a
Dear God, I've been taking meds just to deal with this anxiety. And they label me as violent, say I'm a menace to society. And these niggas keep on copying me, I'ma change my page to private. Cause killers moving silence, you know we keep it quiet. My chick done did so many hits, he say that he retiring. Might bring him back like Jordan with that 4-5, now he firing. They thought that I was sleeping, they woke up and sleeping giant. Police say that we terrorists, they treat me like a tyrant. We keep on taking shit, it's like we think that we some pirates. He got shot in the shit we did before we heard the siren. They never thought that I pull up in that brand new Ferrari. They keep on copping deuces, back tracing and saying sorry. Said I was fat and out of shape, I'm ballin' like collab. Steak and fettuccine, lobster, shrimp, and calamari. I'm all in Cali, Tristan Valley, scrapped up at the fortress. The shoes I got on cost at least 10 times your pair of voices. Ballin' in LA, the place where rappers get extorted. But I'm a walking murder charge, a case I can't afford it. This little bitch a freak, she keep on begging me recorded. I looked into the mirror and told myself I'm gorgeous.
Hey, big shots the gang, we extorting shit. I'm really rich, I'm robbing, might slime my way on the fourth leg. I might just go to Cartier, skeleton, fade my other wrist. Trying to come spin while I'm in Cali, I get your little brother here. I popped her up before I took her down, she bought some guns for me. No, ain't no posting in my hood if you wasn't in the slum with me. I'm slimy is a get the King Cobra, bitch, I play for keeps. CG pulled up in the G-Ski mask, though with them 223. Say on the internet, he want me dead in life, he squashing beat. B-Wop in control, he pressed that button, made you rest in peace. We chopped them in 7 pieces, they ain't found them in a week. I ain't got no gun to kill my kinfolk if they play with me.
Whoa, let's see how they go. Kill him that bad and we open the scope. Scar in my hand, got the jerk on the floor. Put that power on his ass, turn his ass to a post. Real street nigga can't beef on the post. No nigga like tryna beat by the hoe. Got it to that show, we just stay on my pole. Whoa, let's go. Fuck a 392, try to cut like I'm Joe. I ain't gonna fool do the most. Whoa, I ain't put a hit, get them close. Bro, let's go, let's go. These niggas hurting they feelings by hoes. Bang on your head, now they wiping your nose. Take the back in and go blow it on clothes.
Ballin' in LA, the place where rappers get extorted. But I'm a walking murder charge, a case I can't afford it. This little bitch a freak, she keep on begging me recorded. I looked into the mirror and told myself I'm gorgeous.
Could have been murders, what the fuck is you doing?
Bitch, that's what I said, nigga. Bitch, that's what I said, I tried to tell you. I'm with my partner smoking dope off of Bellevue. They said, well, man, we tried to email you. I said, bitch, I don't wanna do no interview. They heard TA was trapping out the Memphis City schools. I was in Shelby County breaking all the city rules. Bitch, that's what I said, I tried to tell you. I hope them dogs don't go sniffing through the mail room. I pull off, I'm doing donuts round a fed dude. Piss me off, I might turn you to a dead dude. It's getting harder for you niggas when that bread due. I'm disappointed, bitch, I never should've fed you. Bitch, that's what I said, I tried to tell you. I make these niggas sick, get him a Theraflu. Snotty nose, little boy, go get a tissue. I got that bitch doing dishes, she don't miss you. You the type to text her, can I come?
Fuck you up, diamond dancing, plus I'm clutching, I ain't